Data Analyst is changing the world. And you should know what's happening. It is a perfect career with tremendous future advancement opportunities. Already, demand is high, salaries are competitive, and the perks are numerous. Here are the top 5 hard skills of a data scientist that you need to know. Preparing reports related to data collection. Analyzing business requirements. Discussing business problems with stakeholders. Analyzing data using a relevant programming language. Loading data information. Need to know what skills are needed for your next promotion? Use our dashboard and try it out for free.